How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a review of the Mr. Men Little Miss £5 coin. So today I did receive my third coin. I've got my first coin and this is the second one. And they've also presented when I bought the first coin, because I signed up for all three, they throw in this pretty cute box to put the coins in, or the slips. And the best thing about these is because of the new packaging from the Royal Mint, because obviously the old ones, let me show you. So these are what the old ones are like, and they've got this extra stuff at the top. So like a coin like this, well, I suppose you can fold it and stick it. Well, no, it's still too big. Whereas these new ones, it's well packaged and they fit in here perfectly. Brilliant, right? So let me put these away. Let's go through each one. So obviously I've reviewed this already, the first coin that came out a few months ago. And then this is the second one. And this is the new one that has just been released. So let's open these up. So this is Mr. Men Little Miss, and what characters are these? So okay, so on this coin there are two characters on here, but obviously this one is Mr. Strong, because it says right there. And obviously this is the front of the coin with the Queen's face on. So it's a pretty cool design, don't you think? The colours really do stand out. Let's go to the final one, Little Miss Sunshine. So on this bump there's a bit more information than the last one about the characters. Here's the front of the coin with the Queen. then there she is, Little Miss Sunshine. Okay, so here's all 3 bunks over here. And which one's your favourite? I have to go with the first one. I think that's pretty cool. But I like the colours on the second one. It's really vibrant colours there. Then we've got Miss Sunshine. Looks pretty cute. Now I do believe that this is the final of the 3 that are coming out this year. But they might continue to make some more of these. There's so many characters from this series. There's so many. I believe there's like 90 characters or even more than 90. So you definitely have to believe that the Royal Mint will produce more of these coins. So you never know. The Royal Mint might be listening to us, and with their continue this coin series, Mr. Men, Little Miss, they might put these on 50p's. They might put them on 10p's. You never know. But we'll find out soon. For the moment, we've got these 3 coins. They're brilliant. I've really enjoyed this series. They look really cute. Okay, so I put them back in their sleeves and I'll put it back into its storage. Brilliant. So, Mr. Men, Little Miss, the 3 coins from 2021. Hopefully there'll be some more in the future next year. There's so many characters. There's so many. You have to believe that if they've got the rights to do these on £5 coins, they're going to continue maybe next year. And hopefully it'll be on a 50p coin or a 10p coin. Now I have a giveaway. So because I collect these in flips and I put them in my coin album, I actually ordered one too many of this, the first one, Mr. Men £5 coin. So I'm giving this away, but I need to reach 500 subscribers. I'm so close. I believe I'm on 354 or 55 at the moment. So hopefully I'll get to 500 soon, and when I do, I've got this coin to give away. So I'll leave that right here. So hopefully when I get to 500 subscribers, I can give this away to a lucky viewer. And when I reach 1,000 subscribers, believe me, I've got a big giveaway. I've got a big prize to give away for you guys. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, hit the notification bell, because all of this helps, and help me get to 500 subscribers, and I'll be giving this coin away. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon.